So if you're interested in surgical interventions and innovations moving forward in this area, do yourself a favour and come on down under to Melbourne 2021, the ICS meeting.
Join us in fabulous Melbourne for ICS in 2021. Enjoy everything that will be on offer at the conference and beyond.
Welcome and come to Melbourne.
I look forward to seeing you there, and I hope you'll have a wonderful time in Melbourne.
It's going to be a great time. We look forward to welcoming you. You'll hear more about the program in due course. Make your plans and come down to Melbourne, October 12 to 15, 2021.